Learn Hindi fast. Go, speak, life, work, need in.
Hindi.
Welcome to your Hindi adventure. Hey, you are here, and that already means progress. Today you will learn 5 useful Hindi words through a silly little adventure you can actually remember. Our mission is simple. You will learn how to say go, to speak, life, work, and need in Hindi. The stars of today are
जाना,
for go,
बोलना,
for to speak,
जीवन,
for life,
काम करना,
for work, and
जरूरत होना.
for need. Say them with me once, slowly.
जाना, बोलना, जीवन, काम करना, जरूरत होना.
The shoes want to go. Let's start with movement, because language learning is basically mental jogging. Also, your imaginary shoes are getting impatient. The Hindi word for go is
जाना,
imagine your shoes yelling, come on, human, time to.
जाना,
Exclamation mark single quote. Say, I want to go now. In Hindi, the key verb is
जाना.
You do not need the full grammar yet, just lock the core verb into your memory. Picture yourself at the door. Your hand touches the doorknob. Fresh morning air is waiting outside. Your brain whispers.
जाना,
Mini contrast. Go is,
जाना,
while come is.
आना.
If you mix them up, you may accidentally invite people while trying to leave. Socially confusing, but memorable. Now open your mouth. Great, now you can go. But if you go somewhere and never say anything, people may think you are a mysterious poet or just very sleepy. The Hindi word for to speak is
बोलना,
touch your mouth and say.
बोलना,
Imagine a sandwich giving a public speech. Yes, a sandwich. The crowd gasps, the sandwich can.
बोलना,
Ridiculous? Excellent. Now you will remember it. A useful idea. It is important to speak politely. The key Hindi verb is
बोलना,
quick comparison. To speak is
बोलना,
and to listen is
सुनना,
first you,
बोलना,
then hopefully someone.
सुनना.
A tiny deep thought about life. Now we turn dramatic for one moment. Do not worry, only a small amount of philosophy is included, and no mountain guru will charge you for it. The Hindi word for life is
जीवन,
say it softly.
जीवन,
Imagine a glowing tree with roots deep in the earth and bright leaves in the sun. The tree is labeled.
जीवन,
You can remember it with a simple line, life is beautiful. In Hindi, that key word is
जीवन,
many songs and poems treat
जीवन,
like a journey. So if life feels confusing, congratulations, you are apparently in the poetry section now. Laptop, work. Back to reality. Philosophy is nice, but eventually somebody has to answer emails. Probably not the sandwich. The Hindi phrase for work, as a verb, is
काम करना,
it means to work. Imagine even the cat opening a tiny laptop and announcing, I must.
काम करना,
This cat is more organized than most humans. A practical sentence idea is, I need to work today. The action phrase is
काम करना,
helpful note.
काम,
Alone is work as a noun, while
काम करना,
is to work. One is the thing, the other is the doing. When you actually need something. This word is extremely useful, especially when you are thirsty, lost, confused, or staring at your phone battery at 1%. The Hindi expression for need is
जरूरत होना,
in real everyday Hindi, you will often hear it in forms like
जरूरत है,
for example, I need water becomes
मुझे पानी की जरूरत है.
do you need help can be said as
क्या तुम्हें मदद की जरूरत है?
imagine a royal cat demanding milk with absolute seriousness. The cat does not want milk. The cat has.
जरूरत होना,
Or at least that is what the cat claims. Mini story. The busy day. Now let's put all 5 words into one playful story. Listen once, then repeat your favorite parts. You wake up early and think, I have to.
जाना,
Single quote. Then your friend calls, and you have to.
बोलना,
Clearly because you are still half asleep. On the way, you suddenly become philosophical and think about
जीवन,
why are we here? Why is the bus late? Why is there a goat looking wiser than me? Then reality returns. You arrive and must.
काम करना.
But first, very importantly, you realize you have.
जरूरत होना.
For tea. Possibly urgent tea. Possibly life-changing tea. Quick drill round. Your turn now. I will give the English, and you say the Hindi out loud. No whispering like a secret spy unless that helps. Go.
जाना.
To speak.
बोलना.
Life.
जीवन.
Work.
काम करना.
Need.
जरूरत होना.
One more time, a little faster. Go.
जाना.
To speak.
बोलना.
Life.
जीवन.
Work.
काम करना.
Need.
जरूरत होना.
Funny quiz time. Let's check your memory. If you get one wrong, that is fine. Your brain is still doing push-ups. What is the Hindi word for go?
जाना.
What is the Hindi word for to speak?
बोलना.
What is the Hindi word for life?
जीवन.
What is the Hindi phrase for to work?
काम करना.
What is the Hindi expression for need?
जरूरत होना.
Bonus question. Which word might save you when thirsty?
जरूरत होना.
As in.
मुझे पानी की जरूरत है.
Friendly conclusion. You did it. 5 useful Hindi words, 1 funny chapter, and hopefully no aggressive talking sandwiches followed you home. Today you learned.
जाना. बोलना. जीवन. काम करना.
And.
जरूरत होना.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words during your day, and come back to them often. You are doing great, and with practice, your Hindi will grow step by step.